Right then, my love, so I thought I'd come out and just tidy up the front garden a bit. So the aloe vera, I will get some pots for them, but I thought I'd just put them this side of the fence. They get quite a lot of sun there. They do sometimes flower, but normally I have them in the back garden, but lately I've been keeping them in the front and they've done okay, so I'm going to leave them be. Then I've just moved that little plant there from the porch to there. Just done a little bit of weeding some of the plants. And as you saw, I've kind of swept up here. And I've put some little fake plants there. Less to water and it still looks pretty, and I can change them up sort of like seasonally. And then I've moved these from that side of the fence, and again this one I've just weeded it, just watered it, moved that one again which was along here. These I've just sort of weeded. They haven't done very well this year, but I'm hoping they'll pick up. But I might move them to the back garden, they might do better there. But as for any sort of weeds, you can see I'm not pulling any of them up because Chris has, they've all been sprayed like last week, so they will all be dying back anyway. So just swept through and just put some of those little yellow flowers in to the little wishing well, and just move the little lavender plants there. So it does all look rather pretty, I think. And I'm going to make a new wreath. So watch this space. Good morning, everyone. Wow, so we got up and I had a brainwave. Should we go downstairs and move the table and move the island? I've always fancied trying the island where we put it. I think I like it. So let's live with it for a little bit, shall we? I've got Hannah, my daughter, coming around with the two children, having lunch, so I'm going to do like picky bits. We've got like chicken strips in the freezer, stuff like that. I'll get that out. I'm going to do a dish with some pasta with pesto. I'm going to do some eggs, which I will do like an egg mayo and then put cress on the top. We've got crackers. Yeah, it's going to be lunch today, so I'm going to crack on, find a room for things I've got to rehome now, like where I put my bread. So yeah, come along with me. You know, in the video that you probably saw, I think for this one, I said I was going to make a little wreath, like a little Easter summer wreath for the front door. When I got everything done last night, we were sat down watching TV. I managed to whip up this little bunny. How cute. I used my embroidery hoops for this. They're lovely. They're little pom-poms, as you can see. I crocheted the ears and little pipe cleaners. And I'm going to put it on the front door in a minute. So we've tidied up a little bit on the back garden. I was saying earlier in one of my previous videos about we were fencing this area off here. It's kind of like, it used to be a little bit on almost like a bank, and over the years it's kind of flattened down. So we are going to throw some dirt over it and probably just put like a whole load of like wild seeds in there, something like that. The reason we don't really use this part of the garden is because sometimes the foxes go from that fence there over here, and it's kind of like in a way to keep our dogs out of it. So anyway, that's that bit done. We have tidied up a bit anyway. Chris is going to raise this bit of wood here, put some more wood on it, and then get some more stones for it. Build stones up again, because over the years they go, don't they? And then down that way, we've got the back fence, and then around the corner we've got a shed and everything. So we have sort of started doing a bit of prep for the summer, move some things out of the way. So it's just the apple trees coming out in blossom now. So we've just for the time being pushed plants over to the sides so that we can get everything sorted now. And then up the top, we have moved things, as you can see. So this bar used to be there on that fence. We've moved the sofa here. Cushions are still all packed away. And put the bar back here. It was there once before. And then we've moved the arbour from down the end of the garden where that little fence is. And we've brought it up here. It does need repainting now. But, you know, it get used more up here anyway. And move the table over a little bit. And we've still got room where I'm stood to bring out the what do you call it? To bring out the sunbed so they can go there. And then indoors, very busily today. So it looks kind of like this now. It looks much bigger actually. So as you saw, we have moved the island down here. I really like it like this. And we've put the table and chairs here. It just fits in quite snugly. Because when it gets hot in the summer, to sit where the island is on the table and chairs, it gets so ridiculously hot. So anyway, move that. So this is, it makes it all look a bit bigger. There's Chris doing the old dishwasher. And Hannah, as you can see, has gone home now. And then we have hung my little bunny wreath up. I will show you that. Stop, it's only me, it's only me. Stop. And there's my little bunny wreath hanging on the door. How cute. There we go, you can see a bit better now. Oh, that was a long day. So the time is, what is the time? It is 10 to 4 in the afternoon. And I'm going to sit down. Oh, I'm going to relax. And I'm done in now. So we're going to sit back. We're going to chill out. Stick a bit of TV on. And then I'm going to edit this video. Thank you everyone for watching the video. If you've enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. Press that thumbs up thingamajig. And if you haven't already subscribed to the channel, I would absolutely love it if you decided to subscribe. Take care everyone. As I say, wherever you are in the world, take care. I will talk to you in the next video. Bye for now. Bye bye.